For 50 days, I'm sharing 50 major health improvements I've personally experienced on a carnivore diet. Today is day 1, and we're going to talk about snoring. I stopped snoring almost immediately on carnivore, and it blows my mind. I went in for several sleep studies. I was on a CPAP machine. I snored every night. My wife always was scared I'd die in my sleep because I would literally stop breathing dozens of times throughout the night. I stopped snoring almost immediately on carnivore, and I subsequently learned that I stopped snoring because of inflammation. The sleep doctor, where I went for 2 sleep studies, said, "Carrie, you're just overweight. You're like 100 pounds overweight. You got to lose some weight." And my neck was huge and it was fat, so I always thought I'm snoring because I'm fat. Being fat didn't help, but that wasn't the root cause of the snoring. And the proof is in the fact that I stopped snoring before I lost any of the weight. Why did I stop snoring so quickly on a carnivore diet? Inflammation. So many people in the world are snoring 100% from their inflammation. Not only did I stop snoring, over time I was able to get off of my CPAP machine. I hated that CPAP machine. I was on that thing for years. I want to take that thing out to a field and beat it with a baseball bat. It's amazing that I needed a machine so that I wouldn't suffocate at night, all because of the foods I was eating. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these. I'm doing 50 of these improvements I've experienced on the carnivore diet, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, share, and leave a comment down below.